There we go, we're on our way back home. So 2.5 hours at the Tesla service centre. Technician today, I think it's Russell, dealing with the issue with the vehicle. Seems to be resolved. So they've had the car for the 2.5 hours. They've done the tracking. He's given it a look round. He's reset the recentered the steering wheel, so that's happy now. The T's straight when I'm driving. So good service there. Big shout out to you, Russ. The self parking or auto parking, we've tried it 5-7 times, and it seems to be good. It seems to be working. We've tried it with the sun behind, the sun in front, with the technician next to me, and everything seems to be working okay. So that's good for now. Again, the service centre itself, excellent service. Customer service by the staff. They're always helpful, always extremely polite. There's nothing too much trouble, and unlike some manufacturers, they don't look down the noses at you. They're actually really nice people. So in the 4 or 5 times I've had to visit the service centre, I've had nothing but good experiences with them. Absolutely brilliant people, and well, a big shout out to them. The service is impeccable. Right, we're back at home, or back near home, and we're back at the car park where the self-parking fails a few times. So we thought we'd try it out here. I've tried it out with a technician, Russell. Big shout out to him. He's a top lad. He's been in the car with me. We've parked up about 7 times, and the auto parks work perfectly. So work that's been done. They've done the tracking, and more importantly, he's made the T in my steering wheel actually now straight rather than being like that. So now we've got a straight steering wheel, and it looks like the auto park works flawlessly, or it did for them 7 times. So I'm already in gear. So we're in the same car park as before in the previous videos. We'll park on the left, and then we'll park on the right. We'll do it a couple of times, and we'll see how it goes. See if it fails. Now it seems to be, whether that's just in my head, it seems to be a little bit quicker as well, which I don't know. Yep, that's parked up okay. Let's go around and try it on the other side. Like I say, there was a 50% failure rate on this car for parking. It wasn't very good. So we've done it there. Let's try on this side. Let's go for that. And then what we'll do is we'll try and get the sun right behind the car, and see if we can get it to, well, the sun's on the back of the car now, so we'll see if we can get it to fail. Oh, now that could be because there's no line at the back. That could be that. So let's discard that one. Let's try it with the sun. I'll go for this one on the left here, because we've got a definite line there, haven't we? No cars behind me. No, got a definite line there. Does seem quicker. Right, that's perfect then. Right. Let's try that spot there. Nothing behind again. No, nobody about. There's no actual white line behind us. It's like a drainage strip. So we'll see if it picks it up. It seems to go past it. Yeah. Well, the service team at Tesla Lincoln, well done. You seem to have sorted the issue out now. So we'll call that a win. As you can see, there's no line there, so that might have been the issue before. But we're very happy now.